Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my experience of more than 2 decades working with 0 to 6 year olds. Today we will be discussing about some of the pre-writing activities, that is some activities done before writing. These activities not only help the child develop fine motor skills but also help in developing their writing skills in future. First of all, what is pre-writing activities? Pre-writing activities are those activities that helps the child to develop the hand muscles or moreover the finger muscles which are used for writing. For example, if you want to be a runner, you will have to develop your leg muscles. If you want to be a belly dancer, you will have to develop your belly muscles or hip muscles. In the same way, if the child wants to write, get the skills of writing activities, he has to develop his hand muscles. So pre-writing activities, we help them to develop these muscles, especially these 3 finger muscles which are used for writing. So come, let's watch some of the pre-writing activities that helps the child to develop these muscles. For this activity, you need some green gum, 2 tumblers and a spoon. Make the child hold the spoon like a pencil with the 3 fingers that is used for writing, and shift the green gum from one tumbler to next tumbler. Slowly he will be shifting the green gum from one tumbler to the next tumbler. This is a very good activity for developing pencil holding grip as well as concentration. Next, we will be using some beads, small beads like this. Any beads you can use, and a tweezer. With tweezer, we will be sorting these beads according to color or shapes. You can do whatever you want. Just sort. The main theme is to use the 3 fingers to press the tweezers. If the child has to take the beads, he has to hold and press the tweezers. Again, if he want to drop it, he has to leave the fingers. This gives a very good exercise for the 3 fingers. Next, we will have some cotton balls and a cloth clip. This is a soft cotton balls. If it is of different colors, it will be more entertaining for them. And a cloth clip like this. By pressing the cloth clips, again the 3 fingers are getting a very good exercise. You will need some tumblers to sort the cotton balls. No need of glass tumblers. I just took the glass tumblers so that you could see the sorting activity. You can take any plates or tumblers available at home. So with the help of cotton clip, cloth clip. So with the help of cloth clip, use the 3 fingers to pick the cotton balls and sort in different tumblers according to its color. If there is only one color, you can just use one tumbler and shift the whole cotton balls to that tumbler. The main concept is to give exercise to 3 fingers by pressing the top of cloth clip. Next activities is using a dropper. You need 2 tumblers, transparent tumblers, some color, a dropper You can get droppers like this online, and some water. Put some water in one of the tumblers. Mix a few drops of color to one tumbler. Mix a few drops of color to that tumbler. And slowly, using the 3 fingers, press the top bubble and shift water from one tumbler to other. Get water and drop water, you need to press the top part. Again, that helps in exercising that 3 fingers used for writing. So slowly press the top with 3 fingers and shift the whole water to the next tumbler. Next is grain sorting. You can take any grains. I have taken chickpeas. And onto that chickpeas I have put some colored beads, small colored beads as dust in the grains. So children need to sort out the dust out of the grains. They have to use the small fingers. They have to use their fingers to sort out the grains from the dust from the grains. This is very good for increasing concentration and time span in working on to an activity. If the child is too hyper or they lack time span for doing some of the activity, or they don't have the sitting tolerance, you can give this activity to increase their time span as well as sitting tolerance. This is also a very good activity for developing finger muscles. Next is threading. You can give big beads like this. If the child is small, give big beads. They need to hold the beads using 3 fingers and put the thread through that hole. They will be using the 3 fingers. So again, it is an exercise for the 3 fingers and a very good pre-writing activity. Children just love making necklace like this, so they will sit for a long time and do this, and it is also very good for giving a very good exercise for their hands, eye-hand coordination and all that. So we are shifting from this big hall to a small hall. Actually, we have used threading with big hall. Now we are shifting to small halls like the one on this flower. Small hall on this flower, see? So from the big hall to the small hall, they will So they will be making a garland using this flowers, as they need much concentration and effort to put the thread through small hole. They get very good eye-hand coordination and exercise for small fingers. So hope you understand the importance of pre-writing activities for children. Please watch all these activities and try to do this before making the child to write, so that they have a very good interest in writing activities as well as in learning. Thank you.